Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're talking about a different way to see right and wrong, the ethics of care.
So, here's a question for you. Is it ever okay to break a rule just to help someone you love?
Traditional ethics might just focus on the rule. But what if the relationship actually mattered more?
And that's exactly what the ethics of care is all about. It's about people over pure principle.
The whole idea is that our relationships aren't just part of life, they're the absolute core of our morality.
Yeah, this is a huge shift from old-school ethics, which are all about universal, impartial rules for everyone.
So where did this powerful idea come from? Well, let's meet the pioneers who shaped it.
First up, Carol Gilligan. She famously described this perspective as hearing morality in a different voice.
She pointed out that most moral theories were kind of male-centric and totally missed the whole care angle.
Then you've got Nell Noddings. She took this idea and ran with it, putting relationships front and center.
For her, it's simple. Our ethics come right from the experience of caring for others and being cared for.
Okay, so what are the big ideas holding this whole theory together? Let's break it down.
It really comes down to three things: relationships, context, and our emotions.
First up, relationships. The connections we have with people actually shape our moral duties to them.
Second, context is king. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Every single situation is different.
And last but not least, feelings matter. Empathy isn't some flaw, it's a moral compass.
All right, so how does this play out in the real world? And what are the potential downsides?
Well, you see it in places like healthcare and schools, but critics say it can be way too subjective.
Still, it's had a huge impact, really pushing for more compassion in a lot of professional fields.
But the big question remains, does it give us clear answers when things get really, really tough?
So, the key takeaway? Care ethics really pushes us to see morality through the lens of our relationships.
Which leaves us with a question for you. When it comes down to it, what matters more, the rule or the relationship?